It's time to strip this blue paint off of this monster dresser. So first things first, let's get going. I'm using some Green Easy stripper and a lovely hair color brush. This is the best applicator I find for this because you can just rinse it off and use it over and over. So you just spread everything out easily. I put a lot of product on there, and I mean that is after 10 minutes. Can you believe it? So I waited about an hour total, and then I took a putty knife. I really should have had a metal putty knife, but this is the one I grabbed. It's plastic because after this it was actually stained blue. It will forever be blue now. I'll remember the big blue monster. But I mean, after just an hour, you can see it's taking all the blue paint off. It's even taking some of the primer underneath, and there's another layer of paint underneath this. It's just coming right off. I mean, that is a lot of paint. Look at that, a whole stack. And then I took a metal putty knife and did around the details, around the edges. This is called Strip and Clean. It's just their after strip wash. And you spray it on pretty liberally, and then I'm taking some steel wool, and you just work it in. Spray and scrub, and it gets all of the residue off from the stripper. Otherwise, it leaves this kind of gummy residue. So you just keep doing these circles till you cover an area you want, and then use a paper towel and wipe it off. I decided to give it one more rinse, scrub, 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 wipe it again. Then I finished the rest of the dresser that way. And you could probably put another layer of stripper on, but I decided to take my carbide scraper because the paint underneath was so, it was already very workable, kind of gooey almost. So I decided to just scrape it off. It came off really easy. But you can see the amount of product I have taken off of this top. So much. I think you really could let this sit overnight and dry really well and then go ahead and sand, but I decided to go one more round of the cleaner. And then I used a really stiff brush to go around the details and get that off. It did really well there. Time for some sanding. I let it dry overnight, and now I'm just doing all the detail sanding the top with 120 grit. And there you have it. The top of this dresser is now stripped. No more blue paint.